Hello my people, welcome to my channel. This is how to make pink jollof rice. In case you want to learn how to make pink jollof rice, this is the right video for you. In case you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Let's get started.
Let's make a rosy pink jollof rice. So first, I actually want this jollof rice to be pink, just to go in with all my pink looks that I've been creating. So I just decided to follow the normal jollof rice procedure. I prepared my rice, and I discovered my coloring was actually very moist, but this made my rice so rosy, reddish pink, which I was actually not vibing with. So at the other hand, I decided to fry my pepper, my tomato, my onion, just to make my jollof sauce. So after that, I decided to wash off my colors from my rice, because this rice actually was red. It didn't even turn pink like the way I expected it, but anyways, I decided to wash out all the colors and just make sure it was clear. So after all the washing and everything, then I went back to my sauce. I think my sauce was actually very pleased. So I decided to add egg to my sauce. At this point, I was kind of like excited because I actually wanted this rice to just like be done so I can like eat it up. So my rice was actually almost ready. I added tomato paste to my rice. I added the salt. I added every other pepper and every other thing. At this point, I then realized that the coloring was too much. So I found out that my egg and everything pink, a bit red, whatever color you want to call it. So my rice was actually ready. At this point, I just wanted to like, do those restaurants serving all those kind of shit, and I just had to serve my food. And you guys look at this gorgeous baby. Hell, pink jollof rice, where? Red jollof rice, where? Hell. So I decided to add more like design to my rice, all those international delicacy, and just to make my rice look all gorgeous. And guys, hell, it was giving. Well, I'm actually taking orders at the moment, so if you want to get this right, just send it a DM. Trust me to take one too and also finish my rice. Anyways, bye.